Hi! If you are new here, then we welcome you to 5 Best List. In this channel, we feature only the best and the latest everything that has to offer. To save your time and make your purchase decision easier, in this video, we picked only the best items for you. We tested many of them before making this list. Check the description below for the product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
Number 1 in our list is 1000 Heritage Bike Helmet. You'll look stylish when you commute to work in this sleek bike helmet by 1000. The company claims the helmet is a bike helmet you'll actually want to wear, and for good reason. The creator of the company made this unisex bike helmet with style and safety in the forefront. It comes with 1000's patent-pending pop lock that allows you to secure the helmet to the bike, an adjustable dial fit system on inside the end of the helmet, a magnetic buckle for the perfect fit, as well as 7 air vents, as well as 3 cooling channels to provide ventilation. With vegan leather straps, the bike helmet comes with a range of stylish colors like mint, red, gray, gold, and many more. Number 2 in this best commuter bike helmet list is POC Ventral Air Spin bike helmet. A performance helmet designed to deliver coolness in ways like never before. The Ventral Air Spin features internal airflow channels to keep you cool for long, hot days in the saddle. A unibody shell construction increases safety and helmet integrity, while the high-performance EPS liner provides the ideal balance of low weight and crash protection. POC's patent-pending silicone pad system, Spin, adds an extra layer of protection. Finally, the Ventral Air Spin features easily adjustable straps for ultimate comfort and an eye garage to store your sunglasses during your ride. Our third pick is Gyro Mips bike helmet. If you're focusing on speed and efficiency, Kelly and Watson love the Register as a low-cost, lightweight road helmet featuring Mips. They praise its excellent airflow and excellent venting and claim that its mini visor is great for dirt biking off-road. Engineered in Gyro's category-leading helmet test lab. Easily removable chin bar. Utilizes the multi-directional impact protection system to redirect energy in a crash. Rock-Lock Air DH Fit system suspends the helmet just slightly off the top of the head, allowing airflow to pass over the head and exhaust from the rear. In mold construction, meets or exceeds bicycle standards with and without chin bar. Fourth pick in our best commuter bike helmet list is POC Omni Air Spin bike helmet. For a basic, easy-to-use choice, take a look at the POC Omni Air Spin bike helmet. It offers excellent protection thanks to features like an optimized density EPS liner, as well as spin means shearing pad inside, the patent-pending silicone pad system. With a slim design, it is also breathable enough to be comfortable for long journeys to work. The 360-degree size adjustment mechanism inside the helmet will ensure that you are getting the perfect size, and the straps are easily adjusted. All-around protection for everyday use, multi-purpose helmet designed for road cycling, from weekend rides to the daily commute. Slim profile for a clean aesthetic, lightweight and breathable construction for comfort and functionality on longer rides. Easily adjustable precision straps are molded into the helmet liner for added safety, extra comfort for longer rides. Last in this list is Gyro Mips bike helmet. If your primary concern is maximizing speeds, Kelly and Watson love the Register as a cheap, lightweight road helmet that has Mips. They praise the helmet's excellent airflow and excellent venting, and also say that the mini visor is great for dirt biking off-road. This helmet is made in a single universal size that can be adjusted to fit all heads. Garcia says he picked out his model because of this and is pleased with his choice. Our experts have advised that you should purchase helmets in person in order to get the proper size.